Let's see how these two quarterly lifestyle subscription boxes stack up to one another and if they're worth the money. Today I'll be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be comparing the two quarterly lifestyle subscription boxes, FabFitFun and Box of Style. But what I'm going to be doing is we're going to be popping back between when I first received the boxes and opened them up and looked at the contents, compared to now, a month later, when I've actually been using everything.
We're sending you back to the future!
And we'll see kind of if the products actually performed as they were supposed to, if I actually used them, and if they're worth the money. In case you're not familiar with them, the FabFitFun is $49.99 per quarter, and the Box of Style is $99.99 per quarter. And both of them you get usually about quadruple your value in the boxes. I do have a code that I'll put down below in case you want to save money on your first box or first annual subscription. The dollars range depending on the box and kind of what promo is running, but it's usually at least $10 off. Sometimes it goes to $30 off, but you can give that a try if you are interested. All right, so real quickly, just so you know, both of these boxes have a couple things you need to know. If you're an annual subscriber, Box of Style has certain things every month you are able to choose from, such as do you want a gold ring or a rose gold ring, or, you know, I don't know, black scarf or white scarf. Now, FabFitFun does it a little bit differently. They have certain items in every box that everybody gets to choose their preference of. And they usually have one or two that only the annual subscribers get to choose, and everybody else just kind of gets what they get. So in case you see other people doing unboxings, they've got some different items, that's because they chose differently and depending on the plan they're on, you know, so anyhow, just so you know. But if you are an annual subscriber, you know, sign up for the whole year, all 4 boxes, then you'll be able to choose everything on all the boxes as long as you make it by the date. They will send you emails, let you know when to get on to do your choosing. And the one time I missed it by a day, they were really nice, and I called them and they let me do my selection. So that was pretty cool. So now you're going to see me unboxing the box, and after I show each item, I'm going to pop in with what I really think now that I've used everything. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and have been enjoying my content, why don't you do it right now? Hit that little button. The Box of Style this time came like this, with a box inside of the tote. So let's go ahead and pull out the box. Ooh, it's so pretty. So it's a lot smaller than it usually is, and it's this gorgeous rose gold. Hopefully that's not blinding you. And let's take a look at this tote. It's vegan leather. I know a lot of their other totes and purses have had leather accents and things like that, but this time it is vegan, and it has a strap like this. So that looks pretty cute. I kind of wish it zipped or something, because for me, when I travel and go places, I'm always worried about somebody sticking their hand in my purse and grabbing something. So I like it. I love the design. I like the color. Wish it had a zipper, but very nice, and I will definitely use this. And this has a value of $150. Now let's look at the handbag. It is super cute. I carry it all the time. I've carried it like a month straight, unless I had something, you know, I had to switch into a smaller bag for. And the crossbody is super handy too. So you've got your long strap. Also, if you prefer to carry it this way, I've been using this nonstop for a month, and there's no cracking or anything on any of the edges that have been used a lot. So the whole thing still looks great. And if you get anything on it, it wipes clean really well. So my only complaints would be that there's no zipper on the top part to close it. And then also there's not a single compartment. So I'm having to put every single thing that, you know, is small into little individual makeup bags to store, because otherwise it'd just be a giant mess in this humongous handbag. I mean, not even a little slot for your cell phone. I mean, how much would that have cost to just put that like right here? So that's my only complaint about this, but you know, I have to say it is very cute and I've been using it. Let me open it up. There's the little card here, and it usually says something. Oh yes, hello gorgeous. And in here, Rachel Zell and her style team explain why they chose the items that they chose for the season. This is really cool to have. This is Luna by Sunday Riley. It's an oil. I have like a big deluxe sample of it. It's kind of like a sample on steroids, and I've been enjoying it. It's a nighttime oil to put on, and it has a little bit of an herbally smell to it. And this retails for $105. You can sometimes get it cheaper by using your 20% off at Sephora if you're part of the VIB program and get that. But usually this is something that doesn't go on sale, so it's pretty cool that they put it in the box. The Sunny Luna Sleeping Night Oil, I have not even opened yet because I have a deluxe sample I was finishing off, but let me open it so I can show you, you know, what it actually looks like the full size. But I've been using my deluxe sample. I've been very happy with it. It contains a retinoid, so this is for nighttime. And they say that in 4 weeks, the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and other visual signs of aging are effectively minimized, revealing smoother, younger looking, and more radiant skin. I have to say, I do like the look that my skin has when I use this. Whoa, wait, what's happening here? Why are you not opening? You know, the front of this is kind of, I hope nothing leaked in here. Hold on a sec. Come on. Whoa, ooh, whoa, oh. Oh my God. It's half empty. Oh, it's leaking, you guys. Oh, shoot. I don't know why it was shut. I wonder if there's a crack in it or something. Okay, well, I'll call Box of Style and we'll have to see if they can send me a replacement. All right, now on to the jewelry. This is from Love AJ. This is a ring. I've seen it in the spoilers and I was able to choose what color I wanted. And this ring, I chose rose gold because I don't think I have any rose gold rings. And it is adjustable. Let's see, so I could wear it like on my middle finger, or we could squash it and put it up higher as a midi ring. Looks pretty, feels like good quality. Let's see what they say the value on this is. It is crystal accents with gold plating, and it has an $85 value. It does look very, very nice. It's definitely nice to have. The ring, while initially I thought it was really cute, two things. One, my stone was set incorrectly and they did go ahead and send me a new one. Having an issue getting it to fit. I'm gonna see if my husband can maybe wrap this in a cloth and use a wrench or something to squeeze it tighter. I mean, I think it's a super cute design, but I don't like when I turn my hand around and it looks like this. I just like rings that go all the way around. The other ring that they did last year that I've been wearing a lot, I've been wearing it, but then in a video I recently went like this and I was like, oh, I just don't like that. So this one is not a win for me, even though the design is darling. I just don't like this open back ring thing. Oh, and this has a value of $85. The next item, oh, this is a hair product. This is a Mika Velveteen Dream Smoothing Balm. My hair, I mean, I curled it today, but it's really, really straight, so I don't have a lot of frizz. So I'm not sure how much I will use this, but nice to have a hair product. The Mika Dream Smoothing Balm, $25 value. Look how smooth my hair is. I have no hair extensions in. Sometimes I use a Halo Couture. I've got a video on that if you ever are curious to give my hair more thickness. But I wanted you guys to see my hair and it made it so smooth. I have gone into this now with texturizing spray, dry shampoo, all kinds of stuff to add volume, and it's keeping it so sleek. So, I mean, I have very straight hair anyhow, but I think if you have any issues with your hair frizzing or whatever, this would probably be really good stuff because my hair is just kind of like glass today, no matter what I do. It doesn't feel heavy. My hair doesn't feel greasy or slimy or heavy. A lot of leave-ins can do that for my hair because while I have a lot of hair, it's thin. So really, I think that that is a very nice product. And, you know, if I'm looking for the silky, very straight kind of a look, it really, I think, did a great job. So really, I'm happy with that product. Oh, this is the watch. I know we received something, I don't know if it was in this box of Style or if it was in a different box, by this Eddie Borgo. I'm pretty sure, but isn't this pretty? And it's in rose gold. Isn't that gorgeous? So I'm really excited to have this because now I have a watch to tie together my rose gold earrings and necklaces and now my ring. So this is what it looks like on. I'm like a medium-sized wrist and I'm going into about the third hole. So here, let me get my sweater off of this. But yeah, so yeah, I would go into 1, 2, 3, yeah, about the third hole on this. The Eddie Borgo watch with $115 value, honestly, I just haven't worn it yet. And it's just because I've been so crazy busy with the holidays and then getting back from the holidays and my daughter switched colleges and all this stuff. I just have not been really good about accessorizing a lot. And when I haven't, I've been just grabbing old standbys. So while I think it's really cute and I'm glad I have it, I just haven't even really worn it. So can't speak too much to it, but it's still running. So that's what was in the Box of Style. So the Box of Style has a $480 retail value right now. And if you don't even go off of retail value, you're paying 20 bucks per item. So honestly, for me, the sleeping oil and the handbag for me are, you know, totally made it worth it. I mean, hopefully they're going to replace this for me because I have a half bottle and it's somehow leaking and I don't know, I don't understand from where. Oh, I do. It's somehow leaking out of the top. I wonder if it's like missing some sort of a gasket or something. Look at it, it's still leaking. So just those 2 items made me super happy. The watch I will use too. The hair balm too was really nice. So really the only thing that I'm not thrilled with is the ring, and you know, maybe one of my friends will want it or something. But yeah, so I'm really happy with it. I think that that was a good price to pay for what I got, given I'm going to be using all the items but one. Now let's look at the FabFitFun box. I have peeked in here. They did send us a little V8 drink to try out. This is just a little sponsored item, so that doesn't count towards the value at all. They have like a big magazine in these where they, you know, talk about the different items, and they usually have some sort of a charity that they're contributing towards. This one has Brooke Burke on the cover, and let's see what's fab and fit and fun in here. So the first item here is a coconut sugar sea whip body cream by Merci for Anthropologie Beauty, and Anthropologie carries some really nice brands, so I'm sure that that is probably going to be quite nice. I'm just curious now what this Merci smells like. Let's see, because I don't know, I love coconut, and I want to see if it's good coconut or if it's fake coconut. Oh, it smells good. Yeah, it smells like the good kind of coconut, like natural smelling. I'm absolutely in love with the Merci Anthropologie lotion. It smells like heaven. It soaks in nicely and I feel super hydrated. So this was a winner chicken dinner. We also have an Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. I've been using Ahava stuff for like 25 years. I used to love their sea salt soaks, and I've used, you know, all kinds of their body care and some of their face lotions and eye cream. I really like their eye cream a lot, actually. And look forward to trying this mask. I love masks. I use masks practically every day, every other day. The Ahava Hydration Cream Mask was great. Felt very moisturizing. I leave it on for about 5 minutes, then just wash it off. It says you can leave it on all night, I guess, if you want to do it that way, but I don't like getting all that stuff into my pillow. Although it does really absorb, you know, pretty well, but you will have a layer that you need to use a lot of warm water to get off. Happy with this product and enjoy it, and we'll use it again. By Thrive Cosmetics, we also have the highlighting stick with ring light technology. Okay, it's gonna light us up like a ring light. Let's see what this looks like and what color it is. Okay, this is in Stella. Here it is. Okay. So I don't know if you can see that on my hand. The Thrive Brilliant Eye Brightener, I don't know, I just don't think it's that brilliant. It just doesn't do much. I've tried it, you know, kind of like highlighting inner corner. That's okay. You know, I tried it like just on my nose. I've tried it different areas and it just doesn't do much. So if you want super, super subtle, and I like subtle, I'm not usually, you know, giant over the top, you know, makeup. I mean, sometimes of course that's fun, but on an everyday basis, but this was even just too little for me. This next item is the Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask, Intense Care for Dry and Damaged Hair. And this is 8.45 ounces. The Moroccan Gold mask is very nice. I don't put it into my scalp like it says, because I did that and for me it was just too heavy and my hair was just like, so stuck to my head afterwards. Not greasy, it rinses out, but my hair just gets so straight. I need any lift I can get at the root. So I really like this. It made my hair feel very soft and moisturized and healthy. So really enjoyed this. By Black, we have eye masks with hyaluronic acid. So those little masks you put under your eyes. I use these like crazy. Not this brand, I haven't tried these yet, but I use little eye masks all the time. When you don't get enough sleep, they're great. I look like I'm ready to play football, huh? These are the Black eye gel masks, and they feel very nice, very cooling. If you're running around a lot while you have them on, you might want to once in a while check and make sure they're not sliding down a little bit. That's what was happening to me. You should lie down, relax, or at least sit. But usually I'm wearing these running around like a crazy person in the morning, just trying to get my, you know, eyes to just look a little bit more refreshed. So I really like these, and, you know, like I said, they feel wonderful and they're like a jelly. Little tip, when you're done, you can also apply them here. They'll still have juiciness, and the packet that come in has extra juice. You can re-dip them and then maybe put them like here if you have, you know, the laugh lines here. So whoops. Okay, I'm not able to do this very easily with one hand, but you could stick them here and here when you're done with them under your eyes. So double usage, gotta like that. Oh, I'm excited about this. Bite Beauty has an amuse-bouche lipstick in here, and it looks like it's full-sized. It is. Ooh, I hope it's a color I like. Oh yes, that is a great color. I will totally use this color. Ooh, yay. Look at that. And they always have such a pleasant fragrance to them, very kind of fresh and light. Okay, I'm taking that with me in my purse. I've been absolutely loving the Muse Bouche lipstick. It's in meringue, and I've been wearing it all the time, and I think it's so pretty. Isn't that nice? This is a total score. By Pure Cosmetics, we have the Be Your Selfie palette, and it's an eyeshadow palette. Let's see if I can get it open here. It has really cute packaging. It looks very festive, and these are the colors. This Pure palette is what I have in my eyes right now. So let me zoom you in for a sec so you can take a look. The colors are really nice. I found it too much work to work with. I mean, I got this look, which I'm very happy with. I did put a little bit of highlighter on my inner corners though, and I did dip into my Viseart palette for a light, color just to put here under my brow bone, because the only light color in here, unless you're using, this peach color here, and I wanted something a little bit lighter than that, has a lot of shimmer to it, and at my age, shimmer under the brow bone just looks terrible on me. So anyhow, like I said, the colors are really nice. I like the look I got, but I had to work far harder, and I tried Wayne Goss brush, I tried Sonia G brush, I tried different brushes to see why I wasn't getting enough pickup. I finally ended up putting the shimmers on using my fingers, and I did several layers and really pushed them in. So you can certainly get this to work, but it takes a little bit more work. But it does last once you have it on, and I am using a primer, by the way, just so you know. I always use a primer under my eyeshadows. Yes, there's more. Oh, by Oribe, I believe I have a choice here. In FabFitFun, just like with the Box of Style, you get choices on certain items, and I did have my choice on this, and I definitely wanted this. Oribe, I love the scent, and their products are really nice. I really like their texturizing spray a lot. So this is a full-size big guy, so that is pretty awesome. Really like that. The Oribe Dry Shampoo worked really well. This is not the type that gives you a lot of lift or boost, but it does get the oil out of your hair. I do usually shampoo my hair every day, but every once in a while I'll skip a day, and I did it the other day, and I just used a little bit kind of on, my roots and my crown and stuff, and it actually, kind of got rid of any little bit of, sometimes you just have that feeling, even if it doesn't look greasy, and it made me just feel fresher. So I'm glad to have this too, and it smells heavenly. Last but not least, there's also a choice on this in terms of which color you wanted. This is by Mark and Graham, and it is like a big blankety scarf. It's this big, you guys. It's huge. So this will be kind of nice, like to, ooh, I'm about to go on an airplane. I might just take this and throw this in my carry-on. I always get cold. It's more of a thin knit. So yeah, I'm happy with this. I really like this. Super soft. Yay. Good job, FabFitFun. This lightweight knit blanket has become one of my favorite things. It is so cozy. It's really big. Look, if I kind of drop this off my shoulders, I mean, it goes way down. It folds up really small, but it's really warm, and it doesn't leave fuzz all over your clothes. So this is definitely one of my favorite things, and it perfectly covers you kind of like a twin blanket if you're laying down. If you fold it into a triangle, you can kind of wear it like this. So it's very versatile, I think, and I've been really enjoying it. I keep it by my desk when I'm working, and I've taken it with me on a couple trips already, so love this. So this quarter, FabFitFun could have had a value of up to $335 depending on what you selected out of the choices that you had. And then dividing it by the amount of items, that could be around like, you're only paying about $6 or so per item. So that's really good. So if you're just going on how much you're paying per item, it's, around 6 or 7 for FabFitFun and about 20 for Box of Style. Then it just comes down to which one draws you in. What do you want more of, and what is your budget? This quarter for me, I think they're about tied. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them down below. I've been getting these boxes, and I'm paying for these on my own. These are not, something that I'm just getting for review purposes. Since they pretty much came out. So I've been with them both forever. So I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do that now and ring that notification bell so you'll know when I have other videos coming out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day or evening wherever you are.